for sure Lauren's not very happy with me. I thought there was a trail along here. There's no trail. It's beautiful. It's tough. We already stopped. We made some Kool-Aid. Found a spot that we could have stopped and camped, but tomorrow would have been brutal. It's supposed to rain tonight. So then we would have woke up and our packs would have been heavier, and it was maybe a longer straight up than we want. Tickle his tail. There he is. I think we just spooked him. This is where we're gonna stay?
Think so.
Think so. Okay. About 3:30?
Yeah.
Super hot. Not a lot of breeze, which is good. Over 30 degrees.
Probably.
It's over 30 degrees, lots of humidity. Oh, nice spot. I've stayed here before. We paddled across the river. This time Lauren and I walked in, so she's been a slug. A little bit off trail. A lot off trail.
A lot. A lot more than you said.
A lot off trail. Both of us are, I'm just getting over my sick. Lauren's still sick, really sick, but beautiful day. Saturday, so.
First job on the filter, Dad.
Oh yeah, I brought my old filter. So it's not filtering very quickly. Oh, it's gonna be beautiful. We got mosquitoes out already.
Uh-huh.
Where? We got both. Oh no. We got both my zippers on the other side. Oh no. Yes. Pow. Oh. Just like that.
My hands are hurting.
Oh, dude, that's tons of water. Just need to drink.
He's like, camera's rolling, now I gotta make some squeakies.
Yeah.
Okay. 300 is like here.
Yeah.
250.
Yeah, 250 is 1 cup.
That's not a lot.
No, it's not a lot, but it's not really that much food in there.
Oh, you're right. It says 250 mils right there.
Oh my goodness.
J.O.B. Dad.
What do you have for supper?
Scrambled eggs with ham and red and green peppers. But What did you have for supper, Dad?
With salami. Salami with Swiss cheese on a wrap. Here we have, what are these called? Figs. We got figs, dried mango, Sour Patch Kids.
The thing is, I grabbed the spoon. Oh, it's right here, too.
I remember you grabbing it.
Yeah, or I thought I put it in there. I guess not.
Way to improvise, but I have the lid for that cup.
Well,
It's perfect. Good. Nice spot.
yeah. Yeah.
You can tell everybody that we sat in our hammocks for like an hour and a half.
Alright, so we sat in our hammocks for like 45 minutes to an hour and probably fell asleep a couple times. Chipmunks woke me up. And it's like 5:45, making supper.
Whoa, shut her down.
That's hot.
What, it's making a mess.
That's also hot.
Oh yeah, what's rule number 1? I didn't tell you rule number 1. You should know rule number 1. I told Mom like 20 times.
Wanna help me?
Put the lid on and wait till it
Well, the lid's also hot.
I just keep touching it. It's a titanium, goes down really fast. Go in.
Okay, good.
Well, we'll set it down. Just there, close her up. I had to bring my tarp way down, right to the ground. It's gonna rain tonight.
Wouldn't it suck if you woke up and like the water was like under you? It would almost be like impossible, but like.
When we camped here, Leo, the water was down like 3 or 4 feet. Actually, it was probably even further than that because Leo was left down over there on the other side of those trees. He just flipped the canoe over and put the tarp over. And we heard the siren go off, and I told him, I'm like, that means they're opening the locks. And we woke up in the morning, the water was almost to where he was laying.
Pretty sure I have a spider on me somewhere.
I had a big spider on me. I was
What?
over there walking along the water, and it wasn't even the spider web that I thought I felt, right, that I did feel, but I thought I got the spider, and I looked down, great big fat little bastard all over me. How far up there did you go?
I don't know.
Not very far. Yep. Shortly. Say goodnight.
Yep. Night.
Good night. See you in the morning.
Yep.
You gonna survive?
I'm so tired. No.
Wow.
I better get a good sleep tonight.
Yes.
I will never sleep in a hammock again.
I know, you keep telling me that. I forgot my headlamp. Or no, got my headlamp. Forgot my earplugs. We got a big party going on across the river. Chewed by mosquitoes. Love it. Last night at 5 a.m. I was woken up and it was pretty good sound, eh?
Mm-hmm.
And I thought it was the wind and the trees up top, but then it just kept growing and growing and growing. And all of a sudden I heard thunder, but the sound was so intense.
Yeah.
So I threw my shoes on, kind of putting the camera together, but paying attention to what was going on because I was ready to go grab Lauren and go up into the rocks. It sounded pretty crazy, and then we ended up getting a huge thunderstorm. I videoed
Lightning. A lot of lightning.
A lot of lightning. So did some good videoing. Maybe I'll have some good footage to put in the video. And it's been raining ever since. It's 9 o'clock now. We're out of the hammocks. We readjusted the tarps. Last night we brought the tarps right down to the ground, so that was a good call. And slept warm?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's a little cold, but...
A little cold?
Yeah.
Because
then I put my puffy on.
Your undercoat was hanging way too low.
Yeah.
And we knew that. Whoops. I slept awesome for warm. So, we get coffee on the go. We readjusted the tarps up, so we got some room to play around. And yeah, we get all packed up and get out of here.
That'll be fun.
That'll be fun. Yep. Yes, I did. Coffee's on the go. Oh yeah.
Was this not William's butt pad before? Thank you, William. I love it.
Just sitting there talking to a camera that's not recording. I exceeded the SD card, so like I was saying, it's been an awesome trip. Been a very relaxing trip, I think. Lately, our trips have been getting more relaxed. And when Lauren was younger, we used to push hard, push fast, and we'd go longer distances. And we were expecting to go quite a ways this trip, but it was just so hot that there was no reason. So if you didn't hear the story I just told you off the other card, we stopped here. I've been here before, paddled across the river with a couple buddies before. So we stopped here. There was a good spot, but wanted to kind of go a little bit further, so we started walking, went up in elevation, and got up into the heat, got out in the sun, stopped, both looked at each other, and just we turned around and came back. So it was a good spot. Didn't have a fire last night. That's twice this year I haven't had a fire. Not really used to it, but it's nice to have a fire. When was the last time you went camping without a fire? Probably never.
Nope.
No. Yeah. It's definitely a different experience, that's for sure. Oatmeal has been hydrating for long enough. Throw some coconut oil. I brought all it down. All the down I thought I was gonna need, down pants and a down puffy. Got a big pair of warm socks. Didn't end up using anything. I always bring this in a hammock to sit pad because you end up with a cold butt or a cold spot somewhere. You just stick that. You just stick that where your cold spot is. Oh, I beat you by like two seconds.
Exactly.
Oh no, 'cause I don't even have my scent peg put away. Alright, I'm gonna throw a quick shout out to Goslin's in Torrevieja. I traded in my old camera and now we are on a waterproof XT4, Fujifilm XT4. Couldn't have came at a better time. So if you like it,
Subscribe and hit the bell.
hit the bell. And we'll see you on the next one.